Okay, so question number 2. Calculate the magnitude and direction of the force that balance the three forces at a point A and shown in figure. So maksud soalan ni dia suruh kita cari satu force yang boleh balance three forces. Maksudnya kalau kita buat yang 3 force ni, dia belum tentu balance. Balance ni means summation F dia akan equal to 0. Okay, so kita kena cari force yang balancekan dia, iaitu untuk hasilkan summation Fx dan summation Fy will be equal to 0. So, jom. Okay, kita tengok F1 dulu. Okay, F1 is laid down on component. Okay, ni equilibrium maksudnya summation equal to 0. Jadi just follow the actual dia punya Cartesian lah. So here is negative x, here is negative y. Okay, so F1 go to component x. Ada angle tak? Yes, ada. So dia akan jadi F1 is 12 lah. 12 cos 55. Okay, and then for component y, ada angle tak? Tak ada. So dia akan jadi 12 sin 55. Okay, so 12 cos 55 is become 6.88. Okay, so 12 sin 55 is 9.83. Okay, next is F2. Okay, F2, 20 Newton go to component X, negative. Okay, then ada angle tak? Yes, 30 degree. Okay, so it become 20 cos 30. So equal to 17, negative 17. 17.3. Okay. So next, 20 cos 30. 17.32. Okay. So next, for y component, go to y component positive, tak ada angle. So it become 20 sin 30 is 10. Okay, so next is F3. F3 go to component X, negative. So F3 negative 30 cos 45 degree is equal to negative 21.2 to 1. Okay, next is F3 go to component Y, negative. So we get negative 30 sin 45 degree. So it will give the same answer because the angle is same for 45 degree. Okay, so now we have F1, F2 and F3. So you have to determine F4. So I write ni F4x, F4y. Because we don't know where the direction of F, what's the value of F4. Okay, but we know that F total is equal to 0. So, okay, so summation of Fx is equal to 0. So we have to determine F4. So F1 plus with F2 plus with F3 plus with F4 is equal to 0. 6.88 plus with negative 17.32 plus with negative 21.21 plus with f4x. Okay, is equal to 0. So f4x is equal to Newton. This is f4x. How about fy? f4y. Summation fy is equal to 0. f1 plus f2, this is also all x lah, plus f3y plus f4y is equal to 0. So 9.83 plus with 10 plus with negative 21.21 plus f4y is equal to 0. So f4y is equal to 1.38 Newton. Okay, so kita nak cari f4. f4 is combination between f4x square plus f4y square. So the value is 31.65 power of 2 plus with 1.38 power of 2. 31.68 Newton. Okay, how about the direction? Tangent up, f4y, f4x. So angle will be 2.50 degree. So duduk komponen mana? Because both are positive, means that quadrant number 1. Above, positive x axis.